Good morning, friends. So today is my car workshop day. So we are here and until finished, then we will go. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Where are you now?
In the Kia workshop, we'll do the service, then we'll collect the car, we'll go out.
Inshallah.
See you later.
So
See you later.
see you later. Good afternoon, friends. So today I begin with afternoon. Because morning time my husband go duty, I am in hurry and I can't shoot that time. So I said I will open my camera afternoon. So now of course afternoon and lunch time. I have mozzarella cheese stick, and I have lemon mint juice. Okay. With the mozzarella stick, they give us like something sauce like that. Okay. Very yummy and very yes. Also, I have something to clean today, like balcony. Before I said I will clean the balcony, I can't. So today is the balcony cleaning day. Also, I have some working at home, cleaning at home. I will share that also with you. So I will eat and I will see you later. So friend, today is deep cleaning for my balcony. As you see, deep cleaning, I clean everything, the windows, the floor, everything. Okay. Here I do the laundry. So I finished the laundry. And I do the dish. Here I will finish this small vlog. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy. Be happy, be smile, be beautiful from inside. حبايبي هنا نختم هذا الفيديو. أحبكم وتحبوني ومع السلامة. دوستو यहाँ तक मैं ये वीडियो ख़त्म करती हूँ. खुश रहना और खुशियाँ बांटना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.